13. If the area of a rectangle is represented by 2x squared plus 11x plus 5, and the length is represented by 2x plus 1, what is the width? So whenever we're trying to find area is length times width. And basically, if I'm trying to find the width, that means I want W to be by itself. So instead of multiplying by the length, I'm going to divide both sides by the length. That will cancel. So that means in order to find the width, I'm going to take the area divided by the length. And I know area is 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay? So, in order to figure out what the width is, I'm going to do similar to number 12. If you watch the video for number 12, I basically have to factor what's in the top, and then I'm going to cancel out what they have in common for the numerator and the denominator. So, if I'm trying to factor 2x squared plus 11x plus 5, first things first, remember there can't be a number in front of x squared. Since there is, I'm going to bring that number from the front to the back. So I'm going to take the 2 and move it to the back, and I'm going to multiply. Scratch it out. So I have x squared plus 11x plus 10. Now I can factor it. 10 goes on top, and then 11 goes on the bottom. I'm looking for a number multiplied to get 10, but when I add them, it gives me 11. So that's 10 and 1. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So my two factors are x plus 10 and x plus 1. Okay? So now remember in the beginning I multiplied by 2. To keep it even, I have to divide by 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I can simplify 10 over 2, and that's 5. I can't simplify 1/2 and get a whole number, so I'm going to bring this 2 in front of the x. So I have 2x plus 1. And I'm going to get some scratch paper because I ran out of space. Here's more paper. So then that means I have x plus 5 on top times 2x plus 1, because this is the same thing as 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 when I factored it on top. And then divided by 2x plus 1 on the bottom. You can put in parentheses, you don't have to. So that means these will cancel out because that's what they have in common. So the only thing I have left is x plus 5. And that's my answer.